Hey guys, TechDude731 here, and today I'm going to be doing a video on a build that I'm going to put together using these parts. It's going to be based upon the AMD FX-8350 8-core Black Edition processor. It's going to be using the Asus M5A99FX Pro R2 motherboard. For RAM, I'm going to be using Mushkin Silverline, clocked 8 gigabytes of it, clocked at 1600 megahertz. For storage, I'm going to be using a Seagate 1 terabyte hard drive. For optical drive, I'm going to be using an Asus DVD burner. For CPU cooler, there's a Cooler Master Hyper T4 air cooler. For graphics card, I'm going to be using an Asus DirectCU2 overclock GeForce GTX 650 Ti boost with 2 gigabytes of GDDR5. And for power supply, I'm going to be using a Corsair CX500M 500 watt modular power supply. Alright guys, so the system is now complete. Let's just take a quick look at the case first. Here's the side panel that gives you access to the motherboard. Along here, as you can see, you have air holes and possible mounting spots for a fan. Along the top here, you have more fan mounting spots. This allows you to put a dual 120mm radiator or just a big 200mm fan here. Taking a look at the back here, you can see yet another spot to mount a fan. I have done so there. Here you have your I/O shield. That's where the graphics card is installed, and at the bottom here is where the power supply is installed. Alright, so along the front we have 4 5¼ inch drive bays, one of which is currently populated. Here you have a button to light up this fan in the front with blue LEDs. Here you have your power button, reset button, and two 3.5-inch bays. One is currently populated with USB 3 and front audio. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Just undo these thumb screws here. And pop the side panel off. So as you can see here, we have our heatsink and fan CPU cooler. Here you have your graphics card, and at the bottom here you have your power supply. Along this side you have your toolless mounting spots for your optical drive and hard drives. Right here you can see the front panel, and if you press this button, the fan LEDs will turn on. So now let's go over to the monitor and take a look at a few things. Alright guys, so here we are on the desktop. As you can see, I'm running Windows 8.1 Pro. You know, you got the whole live tile interface and everything. Yeah. So I went ahead and ran a benchmark. I ran Cinebench R11.5 64-bit, and for CPU multi-core I got a 6.86. Okay, and for CPU single core I got a 1.09. And also for OpenGL, I got a 48.44, and for OpenGL reference match, I got a 99.46. Alright guys, thank you for checking out this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up down below, and be sure to subscribe for more videos.